principles that Lord Rama stood throughout his life in spite of the fact that his life was complete disaster. We worship Purushottam, Maryada Purushottam Ram. That's why we say that Maryada Purushottam Ram is the supreme. It lives in the heart and soul of more than 1 billion Hindus all over the world. More than 1 billion people all over the world. So Lord Rama, ladies and gentlemen, is not as an ideal, is not as a tasveer, is not as a picture prayed and worshipped. Lord Rama is worshipped because of the values and because of the thoughts, because of the principles, and because of the duties, and because of his responsibilities that he discharged as a son, as a father, as a ruler, and of course as a, that husband also. So ladies and gentlemen, let's have ideal Lord Rama, Lord Hanuman, Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu. All these people, pray them, worship them because of the strong blips, because of the strong character that they were having. And then, ladies and gentlemen, and stay blessed and happy. So happiness will automatically come, ladies and gentlemen, when we are having a very, very, very strong ideal. When we have a strong ideal in our mind, in our body, we worship the values. We worship the values. We worship the duties. We worship the principles held by all these lords and big people. We don't worship चित्र का नहीं, चरित्र का को प्रणाम कर लो, चरित्र की पूजा कर लो. That is which is ingrained in us. Let's with these words say bye, keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling. God bless all of you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.